Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of repairing the circuit board of your Thermomix TM5. Before diving in, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing electrical connections, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging the Thermomix TM5 from the power outlet to ensure safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the device. There are typically 4 screws, so be sure to keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off the base. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. With the cover removed, you will see the internal components, including the circuit board. Inspect the circuit board for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or broken connections. If you notice any damage, it's essential to take note of where these issues are located. Use the multimeter to test the continuity of the circuits. If you're unsure about the readings, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, if you identify any faulty components, you will need to desolder them. Use the soldering iron and desoldering pump for this task. Carefully heat the solder joint and use the pump to remove the molten solder. If you are not comfortable doing this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair process hassle-free. After replacing any damaged components, it's crucial to clean the circuit board. Use a soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean any residue or dirt that may have accumulated. This step is vital as it ensures proper connections and prevents future issues. Once everything is cleaned and replaced, carefully reassemble the Thermomix TM5. Start by placing the top cover back onto the base, ensuring all clips are securely in place. Reinsert the screws and tighten them using the Phillips screwdriver. Before powering on your device, double-check that everything is back to its original position. Now, plug in your Thermomix TM5 and power it on. Test all functionalities to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any problems, remember that we provide quotes before any repair, allowing you to understand the costs involved up front. By following these steps, you should successfully repair your Thermomix TM5 circuit board and have it running as good as new. If you find the repair process daunting, consider professional assistance, as we specialize in these repairs and make it convenient with no calls, no travel required. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.